Meaning of left brain.
Left brain.
Left brain.
Left brain.
Left brain. The concept of left brain generally refers to the hemisphere of the brain that is responsible for analytical and logical thinking, as well as language processing. This idea comes from the research that suggests that the left hemisphere of the brain is more dominant in these functions, while the right hemisphere is more involved in creative and intuitive processes. However, it's important to note that the brain is a highly complex organ, and the functions of each hemisphere are closely intertwined. Therefore, it's not accurate to say that someone is purely left-brained or right-brained.